So my name is Dean Walker. I'm Operations Manager here at Airbox Bounce in Cramlington. So we have a full till system in reception area, again in the cafe, full till system. We also have a kitchen display system down in the kitchen. Benefits we found with the system is it is a lot easier to use than our old one. Staff will find it a lot easier to find things. We've also managed to set up a table plan of our building. So taking orders is a simple tap of a table and everything's linked to that table. From there it's sent straight down to the kitchen display system, which is brilliant. Nice and big, easy to see for the kitchen staff. So we also use the reporting function at the end of the day. It gives us an idea of what customers are buying and things like that. For example, over the summer we found out we were selling a lot more ice drinks than what we thought we were compared to normal coffees. I would definitely recommend Shift4. The whole process of them coming in, installing everything, making sure everything was connected and working before they left, and then also aftercare has been brilliant.